Ready to rumble in the Amazon marketplace? Let's break down Keepa versus Helium 10 to see which tool deserves a spot in your corner. First up, Keepa, the price tracking powerhouse. Its graphs display historical pricing, sales rank, and buy box data. To use Keepa, simply install the Chrome extension and view price history directly on Amazon product pages, analyze trends, and avoid products with unstable pricing. Now, let's look at Helium 10. It's a comprehensive suite, ideal for product research and keyword analysis. Start with Cerebrot to reverse SAS and lookup. Discover profitable keywords your competitors are ranking for. Assess search volume and competition. When it comes to pricing, Keepa is the more budget-friendly option with a one-time purchase for data access. Helium 10 operates on a subscription model with varying plans based on feature access and usage limits. Consider your budget and required tools when choosing. Both tools assist in product research. Helium 10 uses black box to filters products based on your metrics like price, revenue, and reviews. Keepa can find products based on sales rank, price drops, and review count. Experiment with both tools during the product research phase. In conclusion, Keepa excels in price tracking, while Helium 10 offers a wider range of features for broader analysis. Select the one that best fits your needs, budget, and Amazon selling strategy, so you can maximize your profits.